Esther, and our children. We thank God for this opportunity and great occasion. Now we want to recognize all our dignitaries and all our leaders who have come to be with us. And I will begin with the former Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, is with us. Our former Vice President, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka, is with us. We have our party leader, Eugene Wamalwa, with us. We have the Governor of Nairobi City County, His Excellency Kafaja. We also have His Excellency Governor of Laikipia. He's also a member of Parliament. We have a host of members of Parliament who are present with us. We have Senator Seki from Kajiado. We have Senator Veronica Maina. We have Senator John Mutu. We have Honorable George Aladwa. We have Honorable Julius, MP for Embakasi South. We have Honorable Ann Murada, Honorable John Kabushia, Honorable Peter Ihungi, MP Kangema. We have Honorable Major Dong. We have Honorable Amos Mr. Head. We have former MP Elias Mbao, former MP Peter Kimani, former MP Kapiga Dayo. We have Lady Justice, is it Okuko? Which name is this? Justice Sid has left. We have Her Excellency Mrs. Celesta Jenny Mudoka. We have Major Soroti Chief Sergeant at Arms Parliament. We have P.S. Esther Dara. We have Senator Kinyua Laikipia. We want to say those are the dignitaries that I have their names. Sabina Cheke, oh, sorry. Forgive me for the list presented to me. Any other member of Parliament who have not mentioned? I know we have a host of MCAs present. We want to say we appreciate you all. May God bless you. And let us follow the protocols of the Anglican Church. As I mentioned, I'm going to we will have the gifts. But I think before the gifts we can do the photograms. There is a gate to be cut. And I was also informed that the Bishop will want to have a few people to take photographs, not only for bishops, but also the leaders of camp can also take advantage and take a photo with the new